Yeah, hello guys, it's Switch here with another lesson, Midjourney lesson number 2, quick lesson. But before we started, obviously a little bit of advertising of my new partnership with the TOYGERS brand and why this is so important for me and why I wanna actually mention that before every video I will do on my channel. Well, first things first, simply if you will go through my referral link and you will just spin the points like so, you will accumulate the yacht points and you will receive basically good goodies, I want to say, like some nice stuff you will receive basically from that company. So basically by doing this, they will announce, hopefully this year is going to happen, you will receive stuff. And you might ask me, like, what kind of things I can receive by doing this. Right now they announce hats, like baseball hats, I think. Well, I didn't really set what hats they're going to be, but they're going to be hats. They're going to be like proper hoodies with, I guess, TOYGERS logo. And they announce candles, like some exclusive candles. And they announce also the jewelry. And also they announce toys, but different kind of toys, not those toys which you can have in the collection tab. Obviously, we know about those toys here, but they already announced also robots. I mean, I don't know what kind of robots, but there are going to be some robots toys. Basically, I'm reading all the time, all the newses, so I will provide you with the all important information, well, all kind of information, what's going to happen, when it's going to happen, and as soon as I will receive stuff from them, and I will, because everybody will receive stuff. That's the beauty of this program. You don't need to be TOYGERS ambassador to basically participate for free by just spinning that wheel. So basically, that's the one thing. So that's the only for free for you guys. On top of that, if you will go through my referral link and you basically spinning that because you want to get something from the company, I will hook you up with the stuff just from me, because I will receive more points, because I will have the percentage value. I will have 9% from you guys spinning. So obviously, I'm not telling you to do this every day, whatever. Just saying, like, I will get some stuff, so I will share with you what I've got it at some point. And then I will try to obviously do free giveaways from that stuff. Ultimately, I also think to do like exclusive giveaways for people who are willing to support me through the coffee channel. So yeah, I have idea to obviously do the giveaways for free, but ultimately I just started my brand, so I'm just gonna be honest with you. I just lost my job 2 months ago. I don't have any money. I don't even have fucking money for food right now, so it would be kind of hard to do any giveaways. But I will figure. Well, obviously I need to go to work like next month, or fucking next week, which I will. But I'm just telling you like what's going on in my life currently. So I'm not guy who just decide, oh fuck me, I have loads of money, I'm just gonna open my own brand. No, I don't have any money, and I just decide, fuck it, I just don't want to work in some shitty jobs. So that's why I decide to do just my own thing, and we'll see what's going to happen. Anyway, 4 minutes intro. So yeah, I really appreciate if you just wanna go and spin that wheel, and you will have really nice stuff. Unless you're not like a gadget man, like, because I like gadgets, so I really hooked into that project, because I really like toys and I really like stuff. So I don't know really what else I'm supposed to say, but I'm excited. So I'm not telling you you're supposed to be excited, because if you're not excited, that's totally fine. Like, I'm not telling you to do this. I just basically I'm just advertising this because I strongly believe I'm just going to be within this project for the rest of my life. Is so exciting to me. But you have to also understand, I read everything about this, so I actually like living by this project already because of understanding what's going to happen. So maybe I will do after a couple of days the introduction, the more news about this project. I still need the 3 days to unlock the toy builder, and then I'm probably gonna talk about the toy builder. By the way, thank you very much for 5 people who join me. Looking obviously for like 500, and then probably I will receive some nice stuff for myself and for ultimately for you guys. Okie dokie, 5 minutes intro, I think it's more than enough. We are going to do the Coursiv Midjourney. Lesson number 2, first AI art. Listen.
Getting started with prompts. To guide you through the process of creating your first AI art using Midjourney. You'll learn to compose effective prompts and generate stunning images effortlessly in a specific direction. Anything you dream of. Ready to unleash your creativity? Let's dive in and start your journey. In the last lesson, you already tried generating an image. So we know that to start, we use the imagine command before writing the prompt itself. For a prompt, you need to describe your desired image in words, much like asking a designer to create a specific picture. Imagine you're explaining exactly what you want to see. But here's a trick. Even if a human might understand your request, no matter how you explain it, Midjourney or any other AI needs more precise instructions. Text. As you can see, for a specific outcome, you must write a structured prompt. That's why, in this lesson, you will explore the basic structure of any prompt and practice it by generating a series of images. Here's a basic structure you can follow. Command, subject, setting, detail. You already know what a command is, so let's dive deeper. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay, so when creating an image, what do you think two subjects should be? Background, the main focus of your image, a person, and action described in the prompt. Common subject setting detail. It's like those questions for me like fucking retarded, to be honest with you guys, just simply because you're just doing fucking prompt. You don't think about this. When I'm doing the prompt, I'm thinking just what I want to prompt. That's it. Like background? Why the fuck? No, definitely not the main focus on your image. Yeah, the main focus on my image. Like fuck me. Like, but if the main focus of my image is a person, like what the fuck? Like I mentioned that on the ChatGPT prompting, like this doesn't matter what the fuck you're doing. Like I can do on purpose, like retarded answer, just simply because you just need to understand the basics of how you prompting, and you don't wanna learn the pattern from those programs and courses. They good to open your minds to how it's working, but you don't wanna copy this exactly, because who is going to be the best prompter in the world? Who is going to be the best prompter in the world? The guy who is open-minded. Those guys who fucking smoking a lot of weeds, I don't know, taking ecstasy every day, MDMA. Those guys are going to be the best prompters ever. Not those guys who will learn, oh my god, which one, which answer is supposed to be? Oh, this one? Oh, okay, that's a good answer. So that's I always need to focus on now. That you're not focusing on it, because if you will focus on those answers tailored by people who tailor those programs, those courses, you will be just like a fucking guy, like a fucking hamster in the wheel. Like those people who just fucking working from 9 to 7 all the time, and they never have the time, they never have the money, and they never like. I don't have a work right now, I don't have a fucking money, but somehow I fucking don't give a fuck and just carry on regardless. So my point is, like, there's much more to it than just learning the course, and it's with every course and every book and every study, everything in the life. Like, you doing the course, you reading the book, you taking something from it or not, but ultimately you just need to use your fucking brain at the end of the day. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Correct
Now it's
answer.
time to put your image into practice. Start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay. Imagine create an image of a superhero. Gonna be Superman. Is it? Midjourney. Noise.
Setting, or simply action. The setting describes the environment or context in which your subject is placed. It answers questions like, where is the superhero? And what are they doing? For Midjourney, a clear and detailed setting helps the AI understand the backdrop and actions taking place in your image. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay, so imagine create an image of superhero flying over a city. Ah! Excuse-moi. Okay, so there we go. Yeah, like I said, this Midjourney, I'm doing this the whole theory course like third time because once I've done it in Polish, then I decide to go like one more time just for myself. No, excuse me, one more time. I've done it for myself on phone, then I've done it in Polish, and then right now I'm doing it in English because I decided to obviously swap to the English channel because that make much more sense. I can get to more people, right? So like kind of no-brainer. But what I'm trying to say, regardless of me doing this like right now, freaking third time, it's not that boring to be honest with you because at least we can see some pictures. So
Details. Now, let's delve into the details. Details add depth and specificity to your image. They help the AI fill in the finer points, such as colors, textures, and any small elements that make your image unique. Think about the nuances that complete the picture. What kind of lighting is there? What emotions or expressions are present? Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
imagine create an image of subject details setting. Imagine create an image of a superhero flying over the city, wearing superhero wearing a red cape flying over the city. Details. I just fucking I don't know. Settings wearing a red cape. Details. Details is a cape, right? And flying is a setting, right? Okay. This is fucking confusing to be honest. Like you're reading like settings and shit and blah blah blah. Like anyway, I already mentioned my point of view. So like you have an idea. Amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. It's actually amazing.
The Midjourney. Best practices. Here is a little secret. Journey works best with simple, short phrases that describe what you want to see. So, try to avoid long lists of requests and instructions. Look at the following prompt. Imagine, show me a picture of a superhero flying over a city, wearing a red cape, determined expression, and surrounded by clouds. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Imagine showing a picture of superhero flying over a city wearing a red cape with a determined expression and surrounding by clouds. It's a good or bad example of prompt and why. Well, it's amazing because it's so in depth. A good example because it gives the AI freedom. No, it's a good example because it provides many details. That's the thing. Like,
Simplifying your prompts. Instead of overwhelming Midjourney, try the following simplified prompt. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
okay. Subject superhero flying with red cape. It's like unbelievable these days. Like we can actually prompt the pictures. Like this is automated, by the way. It's already like obviously program is always going to be the same picture, just simply to obviously to teach us the basics. But I'm just saying like I'm amazed by using the Midjourney just on like on the website. The fucking graphics, right? These days, fuck me. Like, I think I need to implement that on my thumbnails because I'm doing like shitty thumbnails compared to what we can do actually. So I think after I finish the those basics of AI, I will do some fucking amazing because well, you don't really need to do because there's so much free stuff you can just basically download straight away, like without accessing for any premium subscription or anything like that. So I will just probably will go with some crazy pictures just simply to hook you up, have more clicks. Or whatever. No, it's just I'm in general. Obviously, the nice graphics are everybody like the nice graphics. Yeah, why not? Okie dokie, continue.
Practicing with different superheroes.
I
You can
like
try
this one.
creating your own prompts for these superhero themes and see what Midjourney generates. Classic superhero. Classic superhero standing triumphantly on a skyscraper. Stealthy hero. A stealthy superhero in a dark alley, ready to spring into action. Futuristic hero. Futuristic superhero with advanced technology and glowing armor. Vision. You've created your first AI art with Midjourney. Keep practicing and refining your prompts to create even more amazing images. Next lesson, dive into advanced techniques like style, hue, light to create complex and dynamic images. Stay creative and keep experimenting.
Can I move it back for a second? Yeah, I'm actually. I don't know you know the company Displays, but if you don't know, you can Google. So basically, they're doing like a well, basically displays the metal images. You can put that on the wall. Actually, with that being said, you can see yeah, that's the one of them. So actually my version, because I had the images, the displays from the Hearthstone, but then I'm not playing Hearthstone because it's shit game. It used to be fun on the beginning, but then I realized the Blizzard company suck dicks hard with every game they design. So I basically put the cardboard on the displays and I wrote my own quotes. So yeah, basically that's what I'm trying to say. Like those images looks like a nice well displays. Nice pictures to put them on the display or put them to the wall or on the wall. Blah. Anyway, so that's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed. I'm just going to finish this one and just going to crack on with another one, which you will see tomorrow. So take care. Bye for now. And help me out grinding the points. You will have nice rewards from TOYGERS and from me as well. Take care. Bye for now.